What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Vontae here with Double Duty. Today we got a full clean out we're about to go do right now. Then we got 2 pressure washes to do. But go ahead and tap in with us for the first half of our day. Let's go.
She moved on with college. She literally left everything behind in shambles. So,
Oh man.
yeah, but this is mostly me. So everything you see there,
Okay.
and pretty much that, and this.
Okay.
And now if you got that freezer with bed and
All right, perfect.
table and stuff, so
Do you have a toolbox? Okay.
yeah, pretty much from here that way,
Yep.
and from here that way.
All right, perfect.
And then I got a bedroom that's even worse.
All right,
I
that's
wouldn't
it,
say
yeah.
worse, but it's bad.
This one right here? All right.
Everything in here good?
Everything but the bed.
All right.
Everything with the bed. Okay.
Everything.
If you know us, man, you know that we don't like to waste no time. We actually set a 2-hour time limit for this job because we had to be somewhere by 10:30. We're gonna show you right here how we maximize profit on every single job. And it honestly starts with piles, man. Right here, it's my first piece of metal. And then recycling. A lot of places at landfills, you can recycle for free. So make sure you saving all your cardboard when you know you have a lot at these jobs. Don't mix it in. Man, my aunties would kill me for throwing away this much beer. All Modelo's, man. You can tell they've been in there for a long time, though. If you haven't hit that button yet, please take the time to like, comment, and subscribe. It's free to you, but it helped me out a lot. At this moment, I knew this job was going to be good. I seen a lot of cords, and I started finding batteries all over the place. And then score, copper piping. She's in the house doing the bedroom while I'm knocking out the garage, and she already started donation piles with books and clothes and things like that to, you know, save the weight at the landfill and not to let good things go to waste that can be reused. We basically use Facebook Marketplace as our own personal store now, and we actually move things on there very quickly. Some people just don't have the tolerance for it.
getting nasty.
Yeah, and snipped on the other end of that.
Yeah, they're shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep it for you, but
This I'll keep it, yeah.
alright, perfect. Yeah, a lot of AC things. I don't know, look like somebody kept buying the wrong part or something?
No, it's just ones I pulled out.
Okay, old ones.
Yeah, this is all for you, so.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is all. This one might be right. Yeah, this one I'll keep.
Alright, perfect. What about the generator? Crap?
Can you get it in there?
Yeah, I can get it in there.
Yeah, you can get it, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, me and her looked up a snowmobile.
Oh, you're listening?
And put it in that thing, yeah.
That generator, it's not froze up or anything. So.
Oh, it works?
I never got it started. I never put a battery in it.
Okay, but if you put some
It might be
some
fine.
TLC, it probably works.
So.
Were you trying to save any of these?
Nah.
Okay.
Nah, I was getting rid of everything.
You said everything from her.
Now, yeah.
A little over a year ago, man, it would take us a little over a week to make this much money. And now we're able to make it in 2 hours. We have a lot more responsibilities. We wear a lot more hats. If you believe in people that's building something from the ground up, man, push that button, like, comment, and subscribe, and join the tribe. We doing this for our family, man, and we want to take y'all along with us on the ride. Let's go.